My people, what's going on out there? Welcome back to the Money Cube channel. I have an update for you on the state of Carvana. Yep, Carvana, which is the used auto dealer, and they specialize in on internet car sales. Or they like I said in past videos, they operate like a car vending machine. You can go and apply online, get approved, purchase the vehicle of your choice, and go to the Carvana dealer and pick up your vehicle from an actual auto vending machine, or what looks like a vending machine for cars. Anyway, Carvana has been in the news quite a bit lately. Uh, it has been crashing, I would say, over the past year. As you can see here, crashing is an understatement. Carvana has decreased in value, or their stock has decreased by 93.6% over the past month. And of course, and it stayed down. I figured it would stay down for a while, but I didn't think it would take this long. But if you look over the past week, Carvana has experienced an uptick, right? So it's up 11.4% over the past 5 trading days. So the thing about it is, and this is not advice for you to buy Carvana, or if you're involved with it, not advice for you to sell it or hold it. These are just my opinions. If you're going to get involved with Carvana, which does perform like a meme stock, and when I say meme stock, I'm talking about GameStop, AMC, Bed Bath and Beyond, and also this stock here. They all are in that category of meme stocks, which you could say is like, uh, you know, betting on horses. I mean, it's sometimes the stock will outperform the actual business. And so there's really no explanation to that other than, people are rallying, whales are rallying, and some of the retail investors are, you could say, adjusting or synchronizing their buying and selling of the stock. In any case, you and I, which are retail investors, we're on the small end of the spectrum of traders. We can capitalize off of that if you look at the support and resistance levels, and if you buy on the dip in small increments, and then when you get ready, when you think it's going to make a jump, even if you think it's going to go 3, 5, 7, 8, uh, because that's kind of a small amount. When Carvana jumps like 6% in one day, that's a small amount for Carvana, because sometimes it will go 15, 20, 30, 40, 50, even 60% in a day. So if you can catch one of those waves, you can really, really capitalize off this stock. And let me show you now, this is Cash App investing. You definitely want to use your limit purchase or also your limit sale when dealing with this, if you don't have time to sit and watch the market. Let me show you what I mean by that. All right, now here, when you go into the custom purchase order, which is also your limit order, you're basically telling Cash App Investing that you want to purchase Carvana when it hits a certain purchase amount, or a certain amount that is trading at, whatever amount you feel comfortable coming in at. When you see it dipping, you can basically tell it that you want it to purchase at that particular level, and it's completely hands off. You don't have to be watching it. You don't have to be paying attention to it. It will do it for you, and you can set your notifications for it to notify you as well. And this here is what the screen will look like that you actually choose the point of entry. So in the center, you see that little circle with the arrows on it. You can see where it's now trading at $8.19 as of closing bell on Friday. You can slide that little cursor up and down, and if you go up, of course, it's raising the price. If you go down, it's lowering the price. And wherever you stop it at and you hit enter, that's where it will make the purchase for you in whatever amount you want to enter, because Cash App investing does offer fractional shares. So you can tell that you can invest as little as $1 or $100 or whatever amount you want. And what's even more important than that is, once you enter the trade, you want to also set what I call a stop loss. Now, the thing about Cash App, you can't set a stop loss and a take profit level. So you can only do one or the other by setting your sell limit. But it's safe, in my opinion, you want to be on the safe side and set your limit at the amount you don't want to lose or go past. The amount you feel comfortable losing. So whether that's 5%, 10%. So if you invest $100, you don't want to lose any more than $10. Set it at a 10% stop loss or limit loss, and it will set that for you. You don't have to watch it. But if you're a little bit more risky and you want to set it to take at a profit level, you can set it at a 10% gain, a 10% limit gain, and it will sell it at a profit for you. But again, when I'm on Cash App investing, I don't play with that. I set mine as a stop loss. Now, Robinhood does offer the stop loss and also the limit order, where you can set it to take your profit. Webull does as well, but Cash App does not yet offer that. I'm hoping they will do that in the future, but as of right now, they don't. All right, so that's what I wanted to share with y'all today. Now, of course, if you've been paying attention right now, the market is still down, and most of the gains that took place in January have pretty much been erased for the most part. So, and I figured that would happen, but right now it's just, the market is very volatile. If you watch the news definitely will affect the way the market moves. And so, I know there are people out there, there are influencers out there that say the news does not affect it. You have to watch the chart. Well, that's not totally true. You definitely want to know how to use the chart, but you have to also pay attention to what's going on in the news, because that does affect how people trade and how they invest. So that's all I have for you guys today. Stay tuned. And like I said, I appreciate you guys being patient. I will be creating some videos on stock options, and that's how you can make money whether the market goes up or down. And some of you may be very familiar with that. And so I've been, jumping into that and learning the ins and outs of it myself. So I will be giving you a kind of an entry level course, so to speak, on how to understand, or how to get your feet wet, understanding the basic terms and the most simplistic way of starting out in the option game. All right, y'all have a good weekend. Thank you.